Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through some key functionalities available to resellers in My CIHUB. You'll learn how to distribute licenses to your customers, manage billing and payment information, and access and download invoices. Let's get started. Signing in. If you're interested in becoming a reseller with CIHUB, the first step is to contact our sales team at sales@ci-hub.com. Once your request has been approved, they will assist you in setting up your CIHUB ID. This ID will allow you to access the My CIHUB portal. When you have your CIHUB ID, go to my.ci-hub.com. Enter your CIHUB ID and password in the login fields, then click on Sign In. You'll now have access to the portal and its reseller functionalities. Adding customers. After logging in, you'll land on the My Subscriptions page. To start managing your customers, navigate to the My Customers section. Click on Create and a form will appear where you can fill out the customer's details, including their company information and the main contact person for communication purposes. Ensure all the required fields are completed, then click Create. The customer will now appear in your customer list, ready for further actions. It's important to note that the main contact is for communication purposes only and does not have access to the portal. If you want someone to manage licenses on the customer's behalf, you'll need to assign a license manager. Let's move on to that step now. Adding a license manager. To assign a license manager, click on the customer you've just created, then go to the Users tab. Click on the New License Manager button and fill in their details, including their full name, last name, and email address. Once you've entered the information, click New License Manager. The license manager will now have their own account to manage user access and subscriptions. They can add or remove users from active subscriptions, but won't have access to financial data. For more details on their role, how to activate and use their account, they can watch the License Manager tutorial video. Now, let's move on to editing customer information. Editing customer information. Once you've assigned a license manager, you can update the customer's information if needed. Simply navigate to Customer Information, click on Edit, make the necessary changes, and then click Save to confirm. Now, let's move on to ordering a product for your customers. Ordering licenses for customers. To purchase a license for your customer, click on New Order and then click Start. You'll be directed to the Products page where you can select the products your client needs. Once you've chosen the desired products, click Continue to proceed to your cart page. On the cart page, you can adjust the quantity of licenses as needed. If you're ordering for multiple teams or purposes, we recommend typing a custom invoice text in the designated field. For example, you might include the product name or the specific team it's for. This text will appear on the invoice, making it easier to identify. At this stage, you can also set the start and end terms of the subscription. Note that after the end term, the licenses will automatically renew yearly unless cancelled before the term end. Keep in mind that the start and end terms cannot be changed after the order is placed. When ready, click Continue to proceed to the billing information page. Next, you'll need to enter your billing information. On the billing information page, provide your own company details and the chosen invoice recipient's information. Double-check all details to ensure accuracy and avoid delays. When everything is complete, click Continue. Finally, choose your preferred payment method and enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Note that your card information will be stored securely for future orders, so you'll only need to enter it once. After entering your payment details, click Continue. Now take a moment to verify the details, including the products selected, quantities, and invoice text. If you need to make changes, use the Previous Step button to go back. Once everything looks correct, accept the terms and conditions and click Confirm to finalize your purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully ordered CIHUB licenses for your customer. And that's it! Managing customers and ordering licenses as a reseller on my CIHUB is quick and efficient. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact our support team. We are always here to make your flow work.